Hello everyone. If the mic on your Windows 11 PC isn't working, I'm going to show you multiple ways to fix this issue. So first, on your mic, if you're using an external mic, make sure it isn't muted. Some mics have a mute button, so make sure it isn't turned on. Then test your mic on a different device to make sure that the problem isn't from the mic itself. If the problem isn't from the mic, plug it back into your device and on the taskbar here, right-click on the speaker icon here and select Sound Settings. In Sound Settings, scroll down to Inputs and make sure you've selected the right option. If the right option is selected, you should see this bar moving whenever you speak. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. On the left side of the screen here, head over to Privacy and Security. Then scroll all the way down to Microphone. Make sure microphone access is toggled to on. Same with this second option, let apps access your microphone. And scroll down and also make sure this is turned on. Let desktop apps access your microphone. If you're experiencing the issue in a particular app on your PC, make sure it's turned on. Make sure it's toggled to on to make sure your mic works in the particular app. And if the mic only doesn't work on a specific app, check the sound settings there because some apps don't allow the use of microphones. If that doesn't work, head over to System on the left side of your screen and scroll down to Troubleshooter. Select Other Troubleshooters, then scroll down and select Recording Audio. Click on Run and follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and fix any issues. If that doesn't fix the issue, on your keyboard, press Windows plus R and type in the following mmsys.cpl and hit enter. Here, head over to Recording, then right-click on your device, your microphone, and select Properties. Here, make sure the device usage is enabled. If it's on this, change it and enable it. And head over to Levels here and increase the volume if you need to. You can also set this as your default device. Mine is already set like that, but if it isn't, you can do that. Once you've made any changes here, click on Apply, then OK. If that still doesn't fix your issue, move on to the next step. For the next step, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type in services.msc, then hit enter. And here we're going to look for Windows Audio. Everything here is alphabetically arranged, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. Here you see two Windows Audio options. Right-click on the first one and select Restart, and do the same for the second option as well. If that still doesn't fix the issue, cancel that, right-click on the Windows icon here, and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, expand this section, Audio Inputs and Outputs, and right-click on your microphone and select Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. And if it shows you that the best driver for your device is already installed, right-click and uninstall the device, then restart your PC. If that still doesn't work, head back to Settings, then Windows Updates, and check for any new updates Windows may have, as they may include fixes for the audio issue. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.